In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wheel liner on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located inside your fender. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. I'm going to put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that 5th one out. After you remove your wheel, you can have a series of bolts and clips. You have an 8mm here, in here. You have a clip here, in here, and you have one 10mm bolt there. You need to remove them all. Now you have your clip up top next to your strut. These are 2-piece. They will come out obviously in 2 pieces. There's your first piece. There's your second piece. Same thing here. Take your center out. Take your 10mm bolt on the bottom off. After removing the clips and the bolts on the left, now you have to come over to your right. 5 clips, 1 7mm bolt. Take your clip, pull it towards you. 2-piece. Just like the other side. Pull your shield down. And there's your old shield. Now you can install your wheel liner by tucking it up first on one side. You can start putting your clips in. Some of these are trimmed to fit, so you might have to do just a little bit of trimming. Start your clip. Start the bottom clip. Install your inserts. After you get your 2 clips on the other side, you can come to your left side, take your 10mm bolt, just start it in the hole. That way you don't have to keep holding the wheel liner while you're installing the rest of your clips and bolts. Take your wheel liner, tuck it underneath, line up your clip holes. Insert your clips. Install your 7mm bolt. Take the front side of your wheel liner, tuck it up inside your fender. Put your clips back on. And for your reinstall, line up your holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.